I wasn't thinking, oh wow, I can't wait to go out and talk to people in social environments, since when I did go out to social environments, I would not that feel that excellent about myself. I would be doubting myself around a cool crowd, fretting about what everyone else was thinking, wondering if I was fitting in and doubting that women would me. I do not wish to socialize throughout the day, every day due to the fact that I'm a thinker and like to have more of a balance in my life. The huge difference between how I was before and how I am now is that when I am in a social environment, I am confident and really do delight in fraternizing individuals. In the case of females, the majority of females feel intense destination for me and wish they might be my girlfriend or a minimum of be sexed by me. When I am not in a social environment, I seldom need it or crave it like an extrovert does. Instead, I have more of a well-balanced life with my work, the modern man, my girlfriend, my pals, family, workout, time to relax and believe and other important parts of my life. These days, I would be thought about more of an extrovert by many people who satisfy me, due to the fact that many people aren't as confident as me. However, the reality is that I'm neither an introvert or extrovert. I choose to have a balance of both sides of that state of being. Why? Doing so makes you a really attractive option to women, so when you do have a chance encounter with a woman, Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.